All right, go ahead, guys. Go ahead.
All right, so I guess introduce yourself first.
My name is Adrian Chavez. I'm a teacher at Coronado High School.
Okay, and what was the event we had here today?
So today we were doing the cardboard boat float that students were testing their designs, basically on just taking a weak material, making it strong, and see if they could get across the pool.
Okay, what do you think students got out today?
Well, hopefully they got some understanding of, like I said, how the forces work and how you really shouldn't put a lot of force on one little piece of cardboard, because then bad things start to happen.
So what y'all's boating in?
Chipmunks.
The chip. Oh, Alvin and the Chipmunks. All right. So what's y'all's team name?
The Minion Mobile.
The Minion Mobile. All right. All right. So what's y'all's team name?
The Yacht Monsters.
Let's go for it.
Hey, what's up? We're Home Depot. That's our boat right there. Looks like a Home Depot box. Do not.
So what's y'all's team name?
The Minion Mobile.
The Minion Mobile. All right. So what inspired y'all to make your boat? Like how you make this?
You know, we all love the movies, Despicable Me, Minions. You know, we thought it'd be a really good idea. So
All right.
they're the Minions. Now I'm the banker of the Minion. Then we got our mini boss over here group.
All right. That's pretty tight. How y'all think you're gonna do today?
I think we got it. You know, our main goal of course is to get across the pool, get 100. But you know, there's always that little part of us competitive side that wants us to win this whole race, get another one.
So what y'all's boating in?
Chipmunks.
The chip. Oh, Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Disturbing the peace, look into my eyes. Now tell me the things you were laughing about behind my back. There can hesitate.
It's all right. Have y'all gone already, or y'all?
We made it across.
How'd y'all think you did?
They told us we were second for then, so pretty good.
Okay. Do you think you did better than expected or worse than expected?
Better. Yeah.
What's something you think you can improve on for the next race?
Rowing? Yeah, rowing.
Rowing. All right. Well, thank you guys.
This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
Ooh, that's kind of small. Yikes.
So what's y'all's team name?
The Minion Mobile.
The Minion Mobile. All right. So what inspired y'all to make your boat? Like how you make this?
You know, we all love the movies, Despicable Me, Minions. You know, we thought it'd be a really good idea. So they're the Minions. Now I'm the banker of the Minion. Then we got our mini boss over here.
All right. That's pretty tight. How y'all think you're gonna do today?
I think we got it.
Or even worse, I can see it now.
water, earth, fire, air. Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all four elements, could stop them. But when the world needed him most, he vanished.